And now for our feature presentation.
Well, we had about the snowiest February on record, and it's only the 17th. We've got about 26 inches of snow. So you can see here I have alley access, which sucks because snowplows don't plow the alley. But as you can see, my driveway's done pretty damn nice here. We're down to gravel there, and that's pretty hard to do when you got over 2 feet of snow. So you're probably wondering, there's a big drift there, how we did it. Actually, you're probably not wondering that because you clicked on this link for a reason. So I'll go ahead and take out all the suspense. Right there it is. The 1978 Sears GT 14 Varidrive. As you can see, it's a little customized, just a tad, not a whole lot. We went ahead and painted them shark teeth on that plow because that'll scare the snow. Go ahead and get a closer look for you here. I'm going to go around through the garage because it's parked halfway out. Pay no attention to all that. Got the GT 14 horsepower Varidrive. See, there's the manual snow. We got a shut-off valve on the fuel, of course. Come around here. We've got our snow chains on the rear. Now the best thing about these are 23 850/12 tires. I actually went ahead and broke the bead right along in here on the inside where the valve stem is, and then filled that with about 6 gallons of windshield washer fluid in each rear tire. The reason being that will load that tire, give it that's about 8 pounds per gallon, 6 to 8 pounds per gallon of fluid. So that gives it about another 40 to 50 pounds right inside the tire itself. That actually works a little bit better than wheel weights, because wheel weights just kind of drag on the outside and put weight out here, but when you got it on the inside of the tire itself, it's putting downward thrust right on the tire itself. So we went ahead and filled that. I used washer fluid because it won't freeze, number one. A lot of guys will use antifreeze, but number one, that's expensive as hell. See, let's see, $12 for a gallon compared to, $1.19 a gallon. You do the math. But also the washer fluid's a little bit more safe because we got animals, so I don't want any of them getting a hold of it. We went ahead and put a different muffler on this. It's kind of a stacked unit. I wanted to get the pipe bent itself, but apparently the hardware store where I got it from are a bunch of jackasses and they don't know how to bend pipes, so we had to use some elbows and such like that. Go ahead here and take a look on the dash. You've got your lift here, your power assist lift in the rear, so when I get an actuator back there, got a piggy tail back here, you'll be able to have a lift back there. Ignition, lights, throttle, choke, just like any. Got a meter down there, park brake, shift. So it's pretty standard. So what I'm going to do now, hopefully, it's going to fire right up because I used it this morning. And I'm going to set my camera here on a tripod, and I'm going to go ahead and have a little fun on this tractor here. So bear with me for just a minute here. If I start cussing, oh well. You guys are the ones who want to watch this video. So we're going to go ahead and set that up just like that. I don't know what kind of view you guys are going to get, so if it sucks, you may never see this video. Let's see what we can do. Well, obviously still have some fine tuning to do after we rebuilt the carburetor, but in the long run, I would take plowing out this with this as opposed to a shovel.